Welcome to this session. This session, we do another problem on application of binomial theorem. So it's to compute the middle term of the binomial x squared plus 1 over x squared raised to power 13. Solution. So we know that. So here, n is 13. You see the power here. Remember, we're dealing with expressions of the form a plus b raised to power n. And then we can say a is x squared, b is 1 over x squared. And so when n is 13, the number of terms, remember, generally in a binomial expansion, this has n plus 1 terms. So if the power is 13, then we have 14 terms. So since n equals to 13, we have 14 terms, which implies the middle term equals to 14 over 2, which is the 7th term, and the 14 over 2 plus 1, which is the 8th term. So we know also that t sub r plus 1 is n factorial over r factorial, n minus r factorial, a power n minus r, b power r, where this is a general term in the binomial expansion of a plus b raised power n. So when you say T7 implies R equals to 6 and T8 implies R equals to 7. So T7 will be 7 factorial over 6 factorial, 7 minus 6 factorial. And then our A in this question, we have x squared. We have x squared power n, which is 7, minus r, which is 6. And then 1 over x squared is the same as x raised to power minus 2. And then power r, which is 6. So this is the same as 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial times just 1. And then x raised power x squared raised power 1, x raised power minus 12. Remember, this n is 13 and 7, so this 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So that will give us, so this and this cancels out, 7. And then we had as x squared. Now 13 combinations. So n is 13, okay, not 7. So this 13. And then 13. So we have 13. We'll just correct that. So T7R is 6. So the formula will be n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial, and then x squared power n minus r, x raised power negative 2 raised power r, so be 13 factorial over r, which is 6 factorial, 13 minus 6 factorial, x squared power 13 minus 6, x raised power minus 2 raised power 6. So 13 factorial is 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8, 7 factorial, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 7 factorial. This is x squared raised power 7, x raised power minus 12. So this and this cancels out. 6, 1 is 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1, 10, 2. So I'll have 13 by 11 by 2 by 3 by 2, which is 17, 16, x raised power 14, x raised power minus 12. Law of indices, we add the powers. So T7 will be 17, 16, x by 14 plus minus 12 is 2. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. Because this will be 7 times 2, which is 14. And then this is 6 times minus 2. That's what we get. T8 will be 13 factorial divided by, this means R is 7, 13 minus 7 factorial times x squared raised power 13 minus 7, and then x raised power minus 2 power 7. So initially, so this was 13 minus 6 is 7, that's fine. So we have, this will be 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial over 7 factorial times 13 minus 7 is 6. So 6 by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1 x raised power. So 7 times this is 6. So 12 x raised power minus 14. So this and this cancels out. 6 1 62 2 1 2 2 3 1 3 3 4 1 4 2 5 1 5 2. So 13 by 11 by 2 by 3 by 2. This is this 17 16 x raised power minus 2. So that's what we get for that given problem. Thank you.